Hey guys, we are so excited to tell you about our new collaboration with Ben & Jerry's. But we're not just going to tell you, we're going to show you how to make our Toffee Apple Crunch Sundae. Roll the video.
So there's loads of applesauce, there's loads of popcorn, there's wonderful granola, and one of Ben & Jerry's best ever dairy-free flavours.
The cookies on cookie dough ice cream. It's absolutely gorgeous. You're gonna love this dessert. It's kind of like eating an apple crumble ice cream sundae. It's incredible.
You can make it at home, or you could visit one of Ben & Jerry's scoop shops in Berlin, Rotterdam, or London and go and try it for yourself.
We have got not only this on the menu, but we've got an ice cream burger. That's right, a vegan ice cream burger and a vegan hot chocolate with marshmallows, all on the scoop shop menus.
They're all delicious, they're all dairy-free, and they're all available for a limited time this November.
We hope you love it. We hope you enjoyed the video. Big up BOSH x Ben & Jerry's. Peace.